Number 18. Catch someone red-handed, meaning to catch someone in the act of doing something wrong or illegal. Examples: A. The security guard caught the shoplifter red-handed as she was leaving the store with stolen goods. B. The police caught the dacoits red-handed as they were trying to break into the house. Number 19. Curiosity killed the cat, but satisfaction brought it back. Meaning, being too curious about something can get you into trouble, but it can also lead to some satisfying outcome. Examples: A. She was curious about the abandoned house down the street, but curiosity killed the cat when she fell through the floorboards, but satisfaction brought it back when she found a valuable antique hidden inside. B. He was curious about the new restaurant in town and decided to try it,